That was 20 ounces of crushed pineapple with the juices. And now we're simply just going to flatten it out all in the bottom of our greased 9 by 13 pan. Okay, that looks great. Now we have 21 ounces of strawberry pie filling that we're just going to plop right on top of our pineapple. And I just want to get all that delicious juice or syrup out of there. It's kind of a syrup consistency, I guess, not really a juice. Okay. Oh, stuff is so good. Then you're just gonna lightly spread that out as well. Okay, now we have 3 sliced bananas. We're gonna try to evenly distribute those all over the top of our strawberry pie filling and our crushed pineapple. Oh, okay. Now just throw them around, try to get them evenly spread out. Make sure your hands are clean and washed. You guys probably already know that by now. Try to separate any bananas that want to stick together, because bananas just love to stick together. They are very close buddies. That looks great. Okay, now we're gonna add some mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. And I'm just going to put, wow, awesome. That's terrible. That is not what you want to happen. You're just gonna add these all over to taste. No set amount on this. I'm gonna add a lot because I love chocolate, but you don't even have to add these. Let me know in the comments if you're a chocolate lover. You like chocolate or vanilla? Wow, that's messy. Ooh, chocolate melts fast. Wow. Okay, let's just sprinkle a few more around the edges here. I think that looks great. What do you think, David?
Oh yeah, looks beautiful.
Awesome. Now we have some walnut pieces. And I'm just gonna add about half a cup of walnut pieces all over the top of everything in here. I'm eyeballing it. You can measure it out if you want, but I'm not gonna do that today, honey. I am not doing that today. All right, that looks good to me. That might not even be half a cup. I don't know. Right now we have a box of French vanilla cake mix. You can also go ahead and use just regular vanilla, but we like to keep things fancy here in my house. So I'm using the French kind. And yes, you are just gonna pour this cake mix directly on the top of everything that we just put in here. And then you're just gonna give it a nice little flatten with your hands. We are not mixing this. You probably know what type of cake this is that requires no mixing, but if you don't, I'll let you know that it is called a dump cake. I know that's not the best name. That name is not very appealing. I get it, but it's called a dump cake because you just get to dump everything in and then you're finished. It's so easy. I love dump and go recipes. I love easy and quick recipes, and you will find many more of those on my page. So keep coming back for more if you like some quick and easy recipes. So just try to get that as flat as you can, because this is going to be the top of our cake. One side looks a little lopsided, but hey, that's all right. All right, now we have 1.5 sticks of butter that we sliced nice and thin. So you're just gonna wanna quickly or slowly, you can take your time. You can take your time with this, but I wanna try and go fast for you guys, as fast as I can, because you know how that butter loves to stick together. But yeah, we're just gonna place these squares all across the top of our cake here. Oh, wow. Oh, guys, this is going to be so good. It comes out so perfect every time. I'm telling you. Oh, okay. We are almost finished. It was that easy. We are literally almost done here. Oof. Okay, there we go. Okay. Just place them where they can go. And with your buttered up hands, you're gonna pick this up, pop it in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. Oh my gosh, guys, this smells amazing. It looks amazing. Let us dig right in. Oh, you hear that? Oh yeah, we let it sit for a little bit so we could get that nice crust. Oh, it's so juicy. Oh, look at the layers of this. We are gonna put it right in our serving plate here. Oh yeah, this is so much better than a banana split. And that is all for me. I know it's a lot, but look, I have some Ready Whip that I'm gonna put on there. Shake it up always before you use it. Oh, shoot. Piping hot. All right, now we got more of these mini chocolate chips. Oh yeah, make it even more chocolatey. Just why not, right? Oh, look at that. It looks so, look at the colors, guys. That looks awesome. My mouth is watering right now. Ooh. You could also serve this up with some ice cream, nice vanilla. Blow on it because it's very hot.